Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb on this Bobcat UV34XL side-by-side. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So we're going to come up here to our front hood, twist both of these clips loose, remove the hood. And then you can see, maybe, oh, this will be the same on all of these bulbs. They're all the same. So what we're gonna do is just twist that bulb out like that. And then to get the bulb off the clip, just like that. So right there is a part number, maybe. Let's see if we can focus. And to put it back in, you're gonna attach it back to the pigtail. Just push it back on. It's kind of difficult with one hand. I'm gonna set you down here for a second. All right, there we go. We just get that grommet slid back in there and push it in and it clips. And then to reinstall the bulb, set it back in there so that it's flush against the headlight assembly and just twist it back in just like that. That process is the same whether you do this headlight or that one back there or this side over here. They're all very accessible. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.